Ecovacs DM88 robot vacuum cleaner, battery removal. Basically, you pop the two tabs here, pull this out, you'll find two screws. One here, they're Phillips head, number 2. Pull right out, pop this up, and there's your battery. Probably looks like it's made for two-handed operation, so I'll have to put you down. So yep, two-handed removal. There's two tabs, rather large battery. And let's see if we can get the info off it. Ooh, tiny. Now I have to go online and try and figure out if I can get the replacement battery for this. And just unplugs there, pulls right out. Shouldn't really do it that way, but it came out easily enough. Still have never gotten this to sync to my Wi-Fi, except for a brief period when I switched over to my old Wi-Fi, which didn't have a .5 gigahertz channel. Well, hope this helps. Bye.